ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా,
In 1975, I had health issues, and doctor, after diagnosing, he said, this guy had heart attack. Because it used to recur quite often, and 1 month it was very bad, excruciating pain, sweating. My left side became numb, everything became dark, and I know that I'm going to leave this world. Leave this body. That was the condition where, when doctor declared that he had heart attack and he needs to be careful and he needs lot of bed rest, and I was arrested in the house, given rest for my academics. So I did not go to college. When I was studying in Chennai, that time it was 10th standard, and then 11th standard, otherwise it is called SSLC, Secondary School Leaving Certificate. And then we go for pre-university course, so only 1 year. So I was doing M/PC, physics, maths, chemistry, and biology. Halfway through, cut short, and I could not continue my studies. Then my family came to Parthi for Swami's blessings. And as usual, this mischievous Lord Krishna, when you want, he will ignore you. When you ignore him, then he will come to you. So we desperately wanted interview, want to have a word, want to have assurance. And the distance became more and more. He ignored. Then one fine morning, okay, whenever you want, you give interview. Forget it. I'm not going to ask. The next day morning, we got the interview. Love my uncertainty. That is his clarion call. So there he called us, and in the interview room, after all that family interview, he looked at me and said, hey, Chaduko, study. Oh my God. Enjoyed my vacation, a very long vacation, lost interest in academics, and this gentleman standing in front and says, Chaduko. I didn't want to study. So immediately, at that age, young blood, wanted to reject Swami. Swami, I am not interested in studies. I don't want to study. Hey, Chaduko, nee manchige cheptunnanu. I am telling for your good. Study. I thought he is not going to leave me. Immediately counterattack. Swami, you want me to study? You give me seat in your college, then I will study. Otherwise, I will not study. I thought he will not give me seat, I can escape. Then immediately Swami said, oh, you want seat in my college? I said, yes, Swami. I thought some ray of hope. Then Swami looked at me and said, do you know my students? They are all rank students. They get gold medal. Can you do that? I said, why not? With your blessings, I can also get gold medal. I can also get good marks. If I give you a plate of food, you have to eat, man. You have to eat. Yes, Swami, I have to eat. But give me the strength so that I can eat. You are talking too much. Swami raised his hand and said, Yakku matladtavu nuvu. And then finally I was jacked. He said, okay, apply. I will give seat. Meow, finished. I'm jacked. So that is how he guided. Then went back and applied for my pre-university course. Unfortunately, in Karnataka state, 10+2 system started. So I have to do 2 years intermediate. Anyway, everybody says I am 2 PhD, 2 PG, I am 2 intermediate. 1/2, of course. And then finally, I applied. Apply, no reply from the college. What's happening? Time is rolling by, days passing by, and my dad called and told me, hey, it's getting too late. If you miss the bus, 1 more year, again you will not study. And Swami said he will give you seat. What I should do, Dad? Tell me. He said, see, go to Brindavan campus, find out what is the position. I said, okay. I'm there in the campus, enter the office, met a clerk there, and I told, sir, I applied and I did not get the call letter. What's happening? Where did you apply? When did you apply? To whom you applied? For what course you applied? A list of questions went on. Then I said, I applied all these things. Then it is not here. Where you applied? I said, I applied to Babaji. What? Babaji? Yes. He told me in the interview room, you apply, and I applied. I wrote Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba, Brindavan campus, put my application and posted it. Then that guy heavily came upon me and said, stupid fellow, Baba and college, there is no connection. Baba is different, college is different. You have to apply to college, not to Baba. I said, I don't know. How can you do this? I am seeing the quotation, love all, serve all. And this man, profusely loving me, harshly loving me, I said, what is happening here? Then immediately I said, what I should do? He said, tomorrow is the last date, gun case. Oh my God. One side, yes, I need not study. Another side, when I see my dad's face and when I see Babaji's face, I am getting scared. You must study. So, a ray of hope. Suddenly one corner, one soft gentleman, love all, serve all, was there. And that man looked at me and said, Babu, come here. I ran desperately. What's your problem? Sir, I told everything and I applied. Swami said, apply. I applied to Bhagavan Baba. Is it my mistake, sir? And that man is shouting, okay, Babu, don't worry. Tomorrow is the last date. I will search in the files. By chance, your application. Do you know your application number? Nothing. Only I know my name. I said, okay, give your name. Tomorrow you come by 10:30. By chance, if your application form is here, things will be all right. Otherwise, all right, goodbye. I said, okay, fine. I went back. Next day, promptly 10:45, I'm there in the campus. This gentleman looked at me and said, Babu, come here, come here. I said, what happened? Yesterday you came, no? I went home and I was very bad mood. What, Swami? You told me apply and I applied and writing first day itself, this man shouting at me, what I should do, all that. I was pouring out my agony, my love to my love Lord. And then finally, next day morning, when I met this gentleman, he says, yesterday you came, you left. Within 1 hour, warden brought one envelope and gave in the office. When I opened that envelope, that was your application form. I said, wow, that's great. When I was there, it was not there. They chased me out and told me, come tomorrow. After I left, that afternoon, my application form is there. Anything seen by God, anything felt by God, anything touched by God, anything blessed by God is unique, is sanctified, is special. So too that day, my application form. Do you know why? Babaji sent my application form. So I became VIP that day. Because Babaji sent application form means this guy must be special. I didn't know this. So this man already went and approached principal and told, sir, Swami sent this application form. This boy came yesterday and today is the last day, sir, and he has applied, blah, blah, blah. Introduction was already given. And this man told, I have done everything. You just have to go and meet principal. I said, great. You just have to trust him. He will guide you. Every moment he will guide you, provided if you trust him. You trust him and you trust him and leave it to him. He will do the job. That is why Swami says, take one step and I will take 100. And here I am standing in front of principal, Professor Narendra. Very nice, very loving gentleman. And Professor Nanjundaya, Bangalore University Faculty Commerce. And he was there in the interview board. These two were sitting there. They went through my application. They said, you already studied intermediate. I said, yes, sir, all that blah, blah. And then he said, Babu, Professor Nanjundaya, Babu, science group, MPIBC, I can't give. I said, why, sir? Your marks in chemistry is not that good. Yes, sir. Chemistry is, even today, it is mystery for me, sir. Then why you want to take M by PC? I don't know any other group, sir. I know only M by PC or maybe other than chemistry, if anything is there, you give me, sir. Then he said, why don't you take commerce group? Commerce? What is that commerce group, sir? I heard arts, but commerce is what, sir? HECA. What is HECA? History. Okay, social studies. Economics. Okay, part of social studies. Accountancy. What is that? Commerce. What is that, sir? These two things are alien to me. Will they teach from the scratch, from the beginning? Of course, ABC of accountancy will be starting from the 11th class onwards. Sir, I forgot to ask Swami which group I should take. I am in a dilemma. I don't know what to do. No, Mr. Nanjude was telling, no, this is good for you. You will shine. Take my word. You take this group. The moment he said, I still very vividly remember, just above his head, there was a big clock, exactly 12 o'clock, and it was chiming, clang, clang, clang. I said, okay, guidance. Done. I am into commerce group now. I said, yes, sir, I am ready. Yes, I am into HECA now. The date, everything is confirmed. And they told me, come and join. And they gave me second language, Sanskrit. Sanskrit is bouncers. I don't know Hindi because I was in Tamil Nadu. Hindi was not allowed those days. And Sanskrit is further alien. So I went and they told Sanskrit is very easy. You can score 100 out of 100. So I went and sat in the Sanskrit class. Everybody was yelling and shouting something, all bouncers for me. I said, this is not the day. I'm going to go back home. I will flop. That time chemistry was a mystery. Now Sanskrit is again another mystery. I don't know. I'm missing something in my life. And then I went and told Professor Narendra, our principal, sir, this is the problem. Like me, 3 more brothers joined me. So I'm not alone. I have company. So these guys, they didn't know what to do, just like me. And professor went and told Swami, Swami, these 3 boys have this problem. And they are from Tamil Nadu. And their second language is Tamil. And we don't have Tamil. I don't know what to do. Swami said, I will take care. This beautiful, sweet Lord went for a darshan. And he just picked up one bald man sitting in the crowd. Told him, go for interview. That man desperately, full of joy and enthusiasm, he ran. And there when he was standing, Swami told, will you teach Tamil for my students? Ayyo, Bhagyam Swami, Bhagyam, Bhagyam, he said. That man is a Tamil professor, St. Joseph College, Bangalore, Swami's devotee. That day, Darshani was sitting. You see, the Lord can come down to that level, fishing this guy out from the crowd just for these silly souls, 3 guys, 3 students. He did that match fixing. And then finally he told professor, everything is done. This man will come, introduce the boys to this. So we used to have once a week class. This man became VIP. He never sits in the crowd because he's teaching faculty, Tamil. He walks in straight to Trai Brindavan and sits like a VIP. Wow, he's happy. We are happy. I finished my intermediate with Tamil second language. Guidance. You just trust him. And that is how things happen. This sounds very silly. This sounds very stupid. But when you sit back and think how all this can happen, it is because of his divine will, his power, his love. He can come down to any level to uplift us. That is why he is divine. That is why he is our sweet, beautiful Lord. And here you are. I am going to start university in Puttaparthi. How many of you are going to join? Promptly, I used to lift my hand, standing in the front line. And Swami fished out 18 boys. I was one of the guy. We were the first batch, joined Brindavan, did BCom. Then we didn't know what to do because we were the first batch. Next what? Swami said, I will start MCom. Do. I said, okay, fine. First batch MCom. I finished MCom. Next we didn't know what to do. Swami said, PhD. Yes, 5 of us applied for PhD. And that is the time in the higher secondary school, junior college, they wanted somebody to teach for management at the 12th class and BO for the 11th class. They recommended my name. And finally, Swami asked, are you willing to go and teach? Upanyasam istavara, Swami asked. Swami, meer edi cheppina nenu adi chestanu. I have nothing on my own. The simple reason, and the most important reason, when I joined BCom in Prashanti Nilayam, one day Swami sent word through warden, tell him, from today onwards, I will take care of him and his life. He is not supposed to ask even 1 paisa from his father. Everything I will take care. Tell him he is my son. And tell him to follow. And call him separately and tell him this. And warden called me and told me, and this beautiful, he looked after me in all aspects, in every aspect. Even for my haircut, every month he used to send money through warden. He used to give me clothes, including stretching charges. Like that, he brought me up. Even many of my classmates do not know that those days. That is how this Lord guided me all through my life, and today I am standing in front of you. What more proof that you need? What more thing that I need to explain to understand this? Swami, you cannot understand. Swami, you have to experience. So that is how he guided me. And if not that day in the interview, if I would have escaped, I don't think you will be standing and sitting and I will be standing here. He guided my life. Please, dear brothers and sisters, trust him. It is our great good fortune, knowingly or unknowingly, when he came, we came, and when we came, we realized, and he accepted us. And when he accepted us, we have to surrender to him and he will take care.
My God, to my